Okay, wholesale real estate. This is a topic that I barely hear people talking about, and it really confuses me because it is literally the most profitable business model with the lowest risk that I've seen and practiced. It literally requires no investment, and I've seen people make millions of dollars a year doing this. I myself have made over $200,000 profit over the last year doing this. My name is Zach Sadui, and I'm a professional real estate investor and entrepreneur. I started out in the business of wholesale real estate a little over 2 years ago due to seeing one of my friends making what I thought to be a lot of money at the time. When I started out, I was skeptical at first due to the no investment or risk principle, but when I got my first sale, my life changed forever. Here you can see the first sale, which was of $7,300. This was huge for me at the time, so I decided to work on my wholesale real estate business full time. Since then, I've closed over 40 deals, each ranging from $3,000 to $27,000. Here are a few deals that I've closed throughout my journey. This deal made me $9,400 profit. This one made me $13,500 profit. And this one, which is my biggest deal to this date, made me $26,800 profit. Now, all of these deals probably consisted of about 10 hours of work each through marketing for the seller, marketing for the buyer, determining MAO, signing the contracts, and closing. These are insane profits for the amount of work put in. However, these weren't 10 hours of work in a row. It is gradual work throughout the days. You can't just work 10 hours in one day and lock in a $20,000 deal. You have to be consistent and do what you got to do every single day. Only then the deals will start coming in. Through my journey in wholesale real estate, I've learned countless lessons in this business, and I've outlined the step-by-step process for closing deals in this video. The first step for closing a deal is to find a list of properties, whether they are probate, absentee, etc. This is crucial for the business because without the ability to find lists, you'll never find profitable deals. Next, you have to market to these properties through direct mail, postcards, FBSO, driving for dollars, etc. In order to convert the lists into profitable deals, you have to market and reach out to the owners. Step 3. Once a homeowner is interested and answers back, we have to speak to the homeowner and get all of their info. Then do more research and tell them you're going to call them back. This is important because you don't want to give an offer on the spot without doing extensive research on the property. After that, step 4, we have to pull comps and come up with an MAO. This is the single most important step in determining how much you should be offering for the property. Step 5. We call the seller back with an offer, and if they accept, we move on to step 6, which is we sign the contract and send it to the sellers so they can sign it as well. The whole contract ordeal can be a bit confusing, but with the right guidance, it should be a breeze. Then step 7, we send the signed contract to the title company. Finding the right title company is also crucial in this business. After we do that, step 8 is we market for a buyer. Just like we marketed for a motivated seller, we have to also market for cash buyers. Step 9. Once we find a cash buyer that is interested in purchasing the property, we must agree on a sell price with the buyer. It's important to agree on a sell price that is above your MAO if you want to profit. Step 10. We fill out the assignment of contract, which is another somewhat confusing contract, with the buyer and both sign it. Step 11. We send the assignment of contract to the title company. You must make sure it is the same title company you previously used. Step 12. The buyer sends the EMD to the title company. Step 13. Then the title company will do a title search, and once it is finalized, sends back the cleared title. And lastly, step 14, which is my favorite step, the buyer sends money to the title company and you get paid your assignment fee. Now, I know these may seem like a lot of steps, but I guarantee that when you get your first deal, it's all going to be worth it. Also, with the proper guidance, this will all seem like cake. Now, I have a course that goes into great detail on every single step along the way, from marketing strategies for finding motivated sellers to how to fill every contract required, to automating your business so you can focus on making even more money. This course will literally teach you the wholesale real estate business inside and out. Once you finish the course, you will have all the knowledge you need to go out and start locking in wholesale deals. And the best part is, in this business, you don't need capitals, you don't need funds or credit. All you need to do is put in work in order to see astronomical results. If you are not satisfied with the course, you can get a 100% refund within 30 days, no questions asked. So take the first step in starting your wholesale real estate business and join my course. The link is in the description.